Is OnePoll a legit service site worth your time, or should you find other options instead? My name is Michael from paidfromservice.com, and in this OnePoll review I will give you an inside look so you can see exactly what to expect and find out if it will be the right option for you or not. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of paid service and get paid to sites. I am now logged into OnePoll, and what I really like about it is the simplicity. It's very easy right away to see what you can do here. And you can easily see how much money you have in your account currently. Below that you can find all the OnePoll surveys, and there are quite a few. How many that are available comes and goes all the time, and you will probably not qualify for all of them. That's just a part of taking surveys. And in general, some of them do not pay quite as high as some other service sites, but they are a decent amount. They are fairly easy to take these surveys, so it's definitely still a way to have your opinion heard and get paid a bit extra at the same time. But this is the main way to earn on OnePoll. You join and then you get access to its paid surveys. Another good thing to know about OnePoll is that it has an app. So if you decide to join after watching this review, then it can definitely be worth considering getting the app, because it is just a very convenient way to get access to the surveys just whenever you have a bit of extra time. Just like many other service sites, OnePoll also has a referral program, meaning you can invite friends and you can get a commission if that friend decides to join and become an active member. It is, however, quite special here on OnePoll, and not necessarily in the most positive way, to be honest, because it is quite limited compared to many other referral programs. First of all, you can see you have to send an email to people to actually invite them. You cannot just share a link. Secondly, there is this counter, and you can only invite 15 people to join. That's really not a lot compared to how other referral program works, and you might know a lot more than 15 people you want to invite. And what you also need to be aware of is that you're allowed to invite 15 people, but that does not mean that 15 people will necessarily join, and you only have these 15 invites. So you definitely need to consider carefully who you're going to send this invitation to. If your friend decides to become active, you will also earn a little bit extra. As you can see here, once they have answered their first survey, you will get 50p. And once they have earned £20, you will get £1, and once they've earned £40, you will earn £2.50. So this means that potentially you could earn £4 per person you refer. But that requires that person to actually join and earn £40 here on OnePoll. And that will take quite a while, because the service do not pay that well and there are not that many. So you should not necessarily expect that you will get these £4 for all of your referrals. But if you love OnePoll yourself and want to invite other friends that you know will become active, then it can definitely be a way to earn a little bit extra. Before getting to how you can then get your earnings out, I just want to go over who can actually join OnePoll, because this is a little bit confusing, and this is an area where they could definitely benefit from adding some more information to the website. Because on the website it mentions international research, and you can see this image of people sharing their opinion all over the world, and it also mentions you can join from the US, UK and other countries as well. However, during the joining process you will in many cases experience that when you choose a country that is not the UK, then they will just say that they are currently not looking for any members. And it quickly becomes clear that OnePoll is mainly for you if you live in the UK. You can see that already here on the joining page, because everything here is in pounds. You get a joining bonus of £2.50, and even the images showing the coins here also shows pounds. So if you do not live in the UK, there is a great risk that they will simply just tell you once you go through the sign up process that they are not looking for members in your country. It doesn't mean they might not open up for other countries at some point, but for many countries that will be the message you get when you try to join. If you decide to join, you of course also need to know how you can then get your earnings out, and you have two options. You can either choose to get paid through bags, you can see mentioned here, and that is a way where you can get the money directly into your bank account, or you can choose to get paid through PayPal. However, you need to be aware that the payout threshold is £30. That is equivalent to around $37 or so with the current rate as of recording this review. So it takes quite some patience, and this threshold is quite high compared to many other service sites. And in addition to this, you can see they mention here that it will take 28 days to actually process this payment. So you first need quite a bit of patience to reach the payout threshold, and then after that you need quite some patience to actually receive the money. So you just need to be aware of this. Overall, I like the simplicity of OnePoll, and I like they have a very user-friendly app that makes it easy to take surveys on the go. And it definitely is a legit paid service site, so if you can join, it can be a way to share your opinion and earn a little bit extra at the same time. However, it is not completely clear who can actually join. When you sign up, you can choose any country, but in many countries they will not be looking for new members. So currently it is mainly a site that is relevant if you live in the UK. But no matter what, it will take quite some patience because it has a high payout threshold. The service does not give very high rewards, and also the time to process the payment once you actually reach the payout threshold is quite long as well. But as an extra service site, mainly if you live in the UK, it can be worth checking out because it is very user friendly and has a decent number of available surveys. And if you want to know even more details about OnePoll, I have a full review on my website, and here I also have a list of paid service sites that you can join from any country, and that in my experience also gives more opportunities. So check that out, and also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of paid service and get paid to sites.